What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. It is Tyler and Emily, and today we are making mini drunk Jenga. So if you guys haven't seen our other drunk Jenga video yet, check it out. The link to the video will be at the end of this one or in the description. So the items that you will need to build this game are as following: one mini Jenga set, some paint, orange, yellow, green, seafoam, blue, purple, pink, and black. Good job. Proud of you.
Thanks.
And don't forget the paintbrushes. Okay, so now that we got all of our supplies, let's just get to it.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Alright guys, we just finished painting them. We let them dry and had a little lunch. So just to show you guys what we're dealing with here. So we're writing the numbers 1 through 5 on each set of colors, and that is going to be how many drinks you take per block. And then this last block is going to say take a shot, finish your drink, whatever you want it to be.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Please smash that like button. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell. Like my channel. Welcome, baby. What up? You gotta point it more at us. What's up, man?
Alright guys, that is going to end it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Peace! Seafoam. Blue. Purple.
You're throwing them bad.
Pink.
That one was all you.
Thanks guys again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.